Hi, it's Miss Jenifer at Somerset Academy of Music, and today we are back for our series on finger technical exercises. We are in Book 1, Group 1, exercise number 3. We're going to be building on the two previous exercises. You should already have those mastered before you move on to this one. Today we're going to be adding third intervals again, but this time we're going to play them together, what we call harmonic intervals. We're going to be both hands again in C position, just like we were in the two previous exercises, and we're going to be playing the whole thing staccato. So I'm going to show you in the right hand first, and then we'll put hands together. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be playing, starting with C and E, with 1 and 3rd finger. We're going to be playing those two notes together staccato. Then we're going to keep our hand in the same position. We're going to switch to D and F with our 2 and 4. We're going to play those to staccato. And then we're going to go up to E and G with our 3 and 5 staccato. And we're just going to be moving back and forth, exercising those fingers, remembering to keep our fingers curved and playing on the tips of your fingers. All right, so here's what the exercise is going to look like with the right hand by itself. It goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now single notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to add the left hand to that. It's going to be doing the same thing. The fingers are opposite because our hands are mirror opposites, but the notes are the same. So this is what it looks like hands together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I would practice through that exercise twice and add it to your other two exercises, exercise 1 and 2 from group 1, add 3, play each exercise twice every day as your warm-up. Okay, I'll look forward to seeing you next week where we'll learn exercise number 4. Thank you so much. See you then.